This is what happened to my newly unboxed Honor Play device. This is Honor Play. The phone was launched in June 2018 in India and it is made by Flagtronics India Private Limited. It comes with a travel charger, a USB 2 to USB-C type cable and a back cover. The phone comes with a 6.30-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. The Honor Play is powered by 2.3 GHz octa-core processor and it comes with 4 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that can be expanded to 256 GB via micro SD card. It has a dual rear camera and a fingerprint scanner at the back. Let's see what else is in the box. So this is a transparent back cover which comes in the box, some manuals and one SIM ejection tool. It comes with a 2 ampere Huawei charger which is a quick charger. Some labels with IMEI numbers and a USB 2.0 to USB-C data and charge cable. The volume rockers and the power button are on the right side, whereas the hybrid SIM slot is on the left. On the top there's a microphone and at the front there's a 16 megapixel camera with proximity and ambient light sensors. At the bottom there's a speakerphone grill, a USB-C type connector and a 3.5 mm audio jack. Let's power it on. The phone is very slim and very fluid, and this is the problem which some of the people face while using it. The display starts flickering randomly, otherwise the apps and the OS works smoothly. The camera has several modes. It comes with AI stickers and the background also. Honor Play packs 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel at the back side, and it can record up to ultra high definition 4K resolution, and that too with HEVC or H.265 codec. The camera looks good, resolution is fine. There are plenty of stickers which can be added to your recordings. Let's check the EMUI version. This is running 8.2 EMI version with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. And this is the latest update which I've got. So this is the problem with the unit, I think. Otherwise the unit is fine. There's no lagging or any issue observed while working on it. The looks are similar to the Honor 7X mobile phone, but the backside of this mobile attracts fingerprints very easily. Let's try to put this back cover on. Now it provides more grip to the phone. The phone is very lightweight. And let's check the fingerprint scanner. The fingerprint scanner unlocks the phone in less than a second. I hope you'll find my video useful. Please like my video and subscribe my channel so that I can bring more and more unboxing videos. Please subscribe my channel and like my video, please. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye bye.